We're going to solve this cubic equation. X raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. This is a polynomial with power of 3. And so we're going to have 3 factors. So for us to get the first factor, let's test for f of 1. So we substitute 1 in this. So that will be 1 raised to power 3 plus 2, 1 raised to power 2 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, now let's see if that will give us 0. 1 squared, that's 1 raised to power 3 gives you 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so for the first factor now, x equal to what? 1, and that implies that x minus 1. So this is the first factor. Now to get the second, the rest of the factors, we can actually use a remainder theorem. So we divide the whole polynomial by this factor. So let's quickly do that. X raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus x minus 2. Okay, divided by x minus 1. Alright, now we divide x raised to power 3 divided by x, that gives us x squared. Okay, x squared times x, that's x raised to power 3. X squared times minus 1, that gives minus x squared. Okay, and we subtract this. Okay, s cubed minus x cubed, that gives you nothing. So 2x minus x squared, 2x minus x squared, that gives you 3x squared. Okay, you bring the rest of this down, you have minus x minus 2. So 3x squared divided by x, that's going to give you 3x. Okay, 3x times x, that's 3x squared minus 3x times minus 1, that will give minus 3x. We subtract this, this gives 0. So minus x minus minus 3, that's going to give you 2x. Bring down your 2. Okay, 2x minus x, that's going to give you plus x. So x times x gives that's going to give you 2, not x, that's going to give you 2. So 2 times x, that will give you 2x. 2 times minus 1, that will give you minus 2. And when you subtract this, you have 0. So now, this equation, which is polynomial here, implies this, that you have x minus 1, x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, if you open this, you're going to have this. And so the next thing we're going to do is to simplify the quadratic equation you have here. Okay, so this x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so let's look for sum of this, of x that will give 3x, and we also give you 2. Okay, so x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. Okay, 2x plus x gives you 3x. 2 times 1 gives you 2. Okay, now so let's factorize this. X, okay, plus 2, and then plus 1 here, x plus 2. Now from here we can have x plus 1, then x plus 2. Now combining this, we factorized this quadratic equation here, and that gives you this. So we take this one and join it together with this, so it implies x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2. So if you open these factors, 3 factors, if you multiply them, it's going to take you back to this polynomial here, which is cubic equation. So from here, let's get to the root of the equation. So x minus 1 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. All of this equals 0, remember? Equals 0, so equals 0. So now from here, now x plus 1 gives you this, x plus 2 gives you 0. So from here, x equal 1, then x equal minus 1, and x equal minus 2. Okay, so the root of this polynomial is x equal 1, x equal minus 1, and x equal 3. Therefore, x could be 1, minus 1, or minus 2.